In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stream and host video files with Cloudflare Stream. Cloudflare Stream is a video platform that makes it easy to upload, store, encode, and deliver videos without managing complex streaming infrastructure. To get started, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and open the Stream section. Upload your video files directly from your computer or through the API. Cloudflare automatically encodes your videos into multiple formats and resolutions for smooth playback across different devices and network conditions. Once processing is complete, you can embed the video player on your website, share the video link, and manage playback settings from the dashboard. Cloudflare's global network helps ensure fast and reliable video delivery to viewers around the world. With Cloudflare Stream, you can quickly host and stream videos while scaling effortlessly as your audience grows. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.